It's coming up, it's coming up, it's coming up, it's coming up. Let's do it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. London session. Let's go. Auto copy. Let's begin. Let the game begin now. What do you say?
Yeah.
Are you talking to me? All right, all right. Who that? Who that? Collins, Finn Collins, calm down. Who that, bro? All right, let's go. I'm sharing my screen now. Let's see what we have going on. From yesterday, let me start from yesterday before I bring you up. Let me make you co-host, Mr. Donald, Pastor Donald. You are co-host already. You are co-host.
Okay.
So, from yesterday, let me just start analysis from yesterday, what's happened, how it's happened, and then let's bring it up to today.
Should I share the screen now?
Hold on first. Just hold on. I'll call you up now.
Okay, sir.
Just hold on. No. Yeah, from here. From yesterday. Yesterday we had this guy. Simple and short. All right. Yesterday we had this guy DD2103, and he took quite a number of trades yesterday. In fact, all his gold trade went in profit. But there's a problem. When you are copying this guy, look at he closes trades in profit. Even today, 20th of May, 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 20th of May. That move gold made this morning, London Open, he took all profits on that move. But the point is that from yesterday, when he started trading, there was a point where the first early trade were in drawdown. So he kept unloading so many more positions after the first trade were in drawdown. What am I saying? Let me show you what I'm saying. From the back here, this side, this is from yesterday. The price was supposed to start moving up from this level. But what happened? The price never moved up. The price kept going down. And he kept unloading more position. We went up in profit at the time, but we went down again in a drawdown. And so all our positions that were from this level, all our positions that were up at the up level there, when it took us down to drawdown, all our positions were stranded until this morning. We hold the position until this morning when we now came back into profit. What happened when we came back to profit? We closed all our position. So we are not in loss and we're not so much in a profit. So the idea or the trick is that whenever we copy this trader, like we copy, let me show you what I'm saying. Copy trading, inactive, this particular guy. Let me show you the trade I'm talking about, close trade. Look at the trade I'm talking about. This were trade that happened this 14 hours ago, yesterday. Trades that happened yesterday. So we had to close majority of the trade. Because we were back in profit, right? So now we will not want to copy more than 4 open position. Once a trader opens 4 position on our account of $300, or account of $100, or account of $500, maximum 5 position, we have to come here and disable the copy. So the open 4 position or the open 5 position will continue running until we are back in profit before all the trade closed. Then we can come back here again and enable that user. Today, we want to experiment using this other trader, which is called, is already active, Flo Farrell. We want to experiment using Flo Farrell. We check his statistics that Flo Farrell trades mostly NASDAQ and German 30. So if you check from this side here, his statistics, you see his book is really clean and nice, looking profitable to the upside. If you check his last close positions, you see today he closed already German 30 in profit. German 30 profit. So yesterday, while I was busy copying DD 2.0, DD2013. DD2013. While I was busy copying the other guy, Donald was copying this guy. So I'll leave Donald to share his screen and to show us what was the report from yesterday copying this Flo Farrell. Donald, if you are there, I've made you co-host. Share your screen and show us what you've got from your side. Perfect. We can see it. We can see your screen. Perfect. 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 From yesterday. Yes. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. Wow. Wow. All these are yesterday. Look at, okay, this is this morning now, 20:05. Which one is yesterday? Yeah, this is where we can see yesterday. 19. Stop here. I can see the 19. Look at the German 30. The German 30. Yeah, I can see them. Look at the German 30. Look at the German 30. I can see all of them. And the lot size for that German 30 is 0.10. I can see it. Okay. Wow, fantastic. Look at it. Copy fee, copy fee, copy fee, copy fee. NASDAQ. There's a NASDAQ, there's a German 30, there's a NASDAQ, there's a German 30. On $100, you made 50% profits on this thing. This is crazily amazing. It's interesting. It's interesting. It's very, very interesting. So all these things happened yesterday. You cashed out $56 I see on your charts. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. It's amazing. So I just want to confirm, what do you usually do to get this 56? Do you leave the trade to keep running? Although I hear you say he doesn't load so much position. Once there's a drawdown, he holds his position. So, but do you have a rule in mind that, okay, you made a withdrawal of $118. Nice, makes sense. Do you have a rule in mind that, okay, if this trade is not going well, if there are 4 position, 5 position, I'll hold my position, I'll not load more entries. Do you have any rule like that in mind? Currently, you are on 142. Makes a lot of sense. Let's confirm that, please, from you. In terms of risk management, what's your plan as per if the trade is not going well? Number of position are getting too much, like getting more than 3, getting more than 4 or 5. So what do you do on that? You need to unmute yourself. You need to unmute yourself.
Can you hear me now, sir?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
I work with every single rule you normally give to us right from time.
Perfect.
In case of risk management, like for that DD2, once you open, like this morning now that I started copying him since, once you open the 3-4, I will go and pause him. Okay. Once the 3-4 is on a profit, I will go back and enable him again. Before I come back, he has closed the profit and opened a new one. Okay. So since morning, I've never opened more than 3.
Okay.
So for the other guy, I was not even passing through that stress because that guy is more conservative. Okay. He managed the account himself. Okay. Try yesterday, even when I went to church to do activities, I did check it for hours. The guy never opened more than 3 or 4. Okay, that's
the Flo Farrell Pro, this guy.
The Flo Farrell never opened more than 3. I never see more than 3 or 4 trades. It's always 2, 3, 2, 3. If he close one, he will replace it. If he close one, the guy is very good in management. Let me use that word. But the DD2 is still good, but it's on. He trade like you people that have a voluntary account. I mean, voluntous accounts. If that guy, there was one JAD he placed, JAD 13 he placed, it was running almost $10 negative. The 2. He didn't open any other one. He left it. Until that JAD returned back to $2 negative, he now opened 2. Then the 4 now had the profit. If you were to be DD2, as he's running 5, he's opening. So I want everybody, if you copy DD2 in gold, just make sure if you are going to copy for 30 minutes or 1 hour, stay on your system. Once you open TD, you close. Once you end up in profit, you enable again. That is for DD. For the other one, you can even give yourself time. It doesn't open more than 3. Thank you, sir.
All right, that's good. So I'm seeing 5 position on my account, and this is coming from Flo Farrell, all German 30. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to pause my copy, go to the copy trading area here, go to the area where we have trading, copy trading, and go to where we have active, and I go to where we have pause auto copy. I've paused the trade. So I have 5 running position on German 30. German 30 is this DAX. Let me go on my trade area, go to trade area, then go to cash commodities, not there. Go to cash index, then search for German 30. This is German 30. I think those positions are buy positions. Sentiment on German 30 is a buy move. And what we are seeing here is also a bullish move, especially on 1 hour time frame. We'll see clearly that we have a bullish move going on there. Something that looks like an engulfing is about to form on 4 hours time frame. Yeah. Just a rejection yet, not really an engulfing. So if we go down to smaller time frame, we could see the basis for entering. This looks like a bullish push already started. A bullish push already started in this direction. And this looks like there's a fair value gap here. There's no BPR yet. If I check down further, I'd see like an engulfing is here at an area of resistance. Price broke above this level. There's a close above. There's a tiny little close above this level responsible for this damage to the downside. So there's a probability of price going up. It's similar to what we have on gold. Very, very similar. What we are seeing here is that this high is responsible for the break. It don't really close above. Yeah, it closed above, very tiny. This high here is responsible for this dip down to this support level here. So this support level is our final point of decision on German 30. Then price draw all the way up. There is something like a BPR here. We call this BPR. Fair value gap 1 to 3, another fair value gap 1 to 3. So there is a BPR. Let me draw that place there so you see. So another entry can come up there. That's what BPR means, signifies. It shows you signs for more entry. Parallel line. There is a fair value gap here. To this point. There is also another fair value gap here overlapping this. So the hot level happens to be where they overlap this place. When there is an overlap of fair value gap, the hot level is where the fair value gap overlaps. Where we have the fair value gap overlaps, that is a very hot level where price can go up. So I'm saying that there is a strong potential buy at this level all the way to the top. 161, I guess. If I bring a Fibonacci, I will be able to calculate it better. That is with Fibonacci, that will be this. So from this level here down to this level here where we have the swing low, 23% is 50%, 61, 86, sorry, not like this. Let me draw it the other way around, which is like this to this. Sorry. This should be here. This should be here. This should be here. Giving us 23 at this level. 23% Fibonacci is exactly at our entry level. 23.38 exactly at our entry level. So this is really clear that we have a buy entry at the bottom of that place from here. And we can send this to the group, right? We can send it to the group. So we can send it to the group. Let's see. Like this. Copy. DAX 30. So we go here. DAX 30. I'm buying DAX 30. I think I should put this on this place where we have live trading. Sorry, please. I need to publish this to the people. Copy. Back to the charts. Paste. Why is it not pasting? What's happening? Let me paste it here and see. Okay, it's not gonna paste. So I know what to do. So I'm just going to screenshot it. Just a moment. Just a moment. Just a moment. Screenshots. Right in here. Then I go like this. We're in profit already. I'm buying DAX 30. 5 auto copy. 1 3. Join the Zoom.
who has this name 11, change your name to a known name. Okay, we are here as a group, as a community. Don't use coded name here. Change 11 to a known name. Thank you.
Hello, please. I can't hear from James again. Is his audio still on? Or
Oh
am I
my
the only
God,
one missing him?
I was muted. I was showing you,
Okay.
I was showing you the same strategy. Sorry, I was showing you the same strategy on cartel trading, and I was saying that the same strategy, that's bearish engulfing stuff, is the same thing that you can see being done where I showed you the previous video. I said we just watched it just now, starting from $125. You'll notice. Sorry, I'm trying to bring back this video again. Okay, sorry. I'm trying to get back to it. Let me see if I can get on that one. Okay, we got one. Let's watch this one. Let's watch this one. It's the same strategy, guys. The same. Let me play this one. The same. The same. Sell engulfing. That's bearish engulfing on 5 minutes time frame, and a pullback happened on that bearish engulfing, and the trader started opening the position after the pullback was completed, and he moved $58 down to $2,000. Of course, this happened during a volatile market period. So I'm simply saying here that bullish engulfing on a strong support or resistance zone, when you get a nice pullback on it, you could use it to flip an account during a volatile period. If you check this, back test it many times enough, test it on a demo account, you could bring this strategy yourself into a live account. I'm simply telling you that this is possible. A 161 would definitely be reached many a times on the support level. If you have a bullish engulfing, on resistance level, if you have a bearish engulfing. So when you have such an opportunity, you can actually go all in and you can triple your account. From $59, you can see this account made over $2,000. And you could see other accounts from $900 made over $100,000 several times. You could scroll down. Please, I want you to take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Scroll down and check all the results. Check all the performance. $100,000, $50,000, $60,000, $4,000, $3,000. Starting from small accounts, you could flip all these things multiple times, many times even. You could flip them. You could flip them many times. $100 to $9,000. You could flip them. $23 to $1,000. $36, $45 to $3,000. You could flip them. Now, let me just advise here, you need unlimited leverage, because if you start doing this on brokers that do not have so much leverage, you cannot open so many positions, because the goal here is to load as many positions as possible while the market is moving. During volatile period, London open, New York open. So the goal is to open so many positions, right? So if you're going to open so many positions, your leverage will limit you from opening all those positions. Your leverage will limit you from opening all these positions. So you want to use a broker that gives you unlimited leverage. That's why I have XNext on my radar. But of course, discussing about copy trading, auto copy, which is the main reason why we are here, just digressing a little bit, we concluded that, oh, you could, with as low as $100, you could copy a trader and make 50% profit in a day, just like Donald did yesterday. He was copying this particular trader yesterday. This trader, let me find this trader again. Copy. Where's the trader again? He was copying this particular trader by the name Flo Farrell. He was copying Flo Farrell, and he made a whooping $56 profits yesterday. yesterday. It's amazing. It's amazing. So this trader, you could check his history, his profitability, his antecedents. You'll see that this trader is a 95.76% win rate trader with over 200 people copying him. The statistics chart of this trader's performance on a daily is crazily impressive. Scrolling down further, you'll see his book agreeing. A P&L of $8,900 profit factor of 13.65. Funded account managed total of $42,000, generally managed an AUM of $24 million with 359 auto copiers at all time. With a total of 345 trades per week, this trader majors on NASDAQ and German 30. Now, I'm copying this trader for today. The only reason I'm not starting my auto copy now is because I'm trying to be a little bit more skillful. Right now, German 30 is bullish. So if you are in, it's just going to go up with you. But I don't want to start until I see a nice pullback after this break of structure has already happened. I want to see a nice pullback. Going to a higher time frame, like say M30, I see the move is already bullish and we're heading towards a resistance level. So I would really like for the price to close as bullish here on 30 minutes time frame. And I want to see a pullback that will bring price down to the support level, because I noticed there's a support level here that was formerly resistance, broke in, went all the way, came back as support. So if we have any pullback, any reasonable pullback, I would like to start my auto copy from around 23,962. I would like to start my auto copy because I have a higher chances of being in profit faster. Right now, if I start the auto copy, it's possible that I'll be in a drawdown for quite a while. So just to avoid being in a drawdown, I just decided to wait a little bit. Just a little bit. On the other hand, we have another trader we are copying who masters gold, who trades on gold, XAUUSD. I don't know which of the gold now. I draw that analysis. We have a trader who masters, who majors on gold, and we're watching what the trader is doing. And we notice that there's an opportunity to buy gold for today, looking at the same 30 minutes time frame, which has already closed in a bullish move. And this 30 minutes time frame is saying that we have a break of structure BOS right here. So that means we are ripe. We are ready to go for a buy, but we want a pullback. Any reasonable pullback will be good for a buy position. So I bring it down to 15-minute time frame to look for where we could most likely get our pullback from. So the Fibonacci is the one to always help us get whatever it is we want to get from this place, responsible for that push to the upside, down to 100 level, down to this place here. So 618 is good level. 618 is good level. 50% is good level. So, and there's also an order block there, which is also an area of breaker block, significant level of support that was broken before. So I can take this out. So that would be the best entry level. If gold is able to dip down to pull back rather, if gold is able to pull back to this level here where we have order block, we have the price started moving from this level here. If gold is able to pull back to this level, then we have a nice entry on gold to the upside, starting from this price, 32.33, all the way up to Fibonacci 161. Of this level, which is this 161. So we expect a pullback. If we do get any pullback on gold, buy. We expect to go very, very, very high. If you are already in the trade, I wish you best of luck. It may not come down. But if you are not in the trade, please don't enter. Wait for a pullback down to 23.24, 23.23. It's a very good area. Load all, no, not load all your entry. Just put on your auto copy. That's what I mean. The trader will manage the trade for you. You don't have to trade by yourself. But also, if you start the trade auto copy right now, you might be in drawdown. But after, like, say 3 or 4 position, pause your auto copy, because the drawdown might come down here to pick some positions here. Buyers loaded some volume here that broke the structure. So those buyers are still there. They will load more volume if the price comes down. So you will definitely be in profits. But I want to enter when the price comes down, when buyers are loading more position. That's where I want to enter my own, and we'll go all the way. I'll on the auto copy. I know the trader will load position when the price gets here. I know that for sure. This price, if you push it backward, is an area of breaker block. It's now an area of order block. It's a very strong, significant area where price should be loaded. Price is ranging here because these guys that pump here, they are taking profits. So I'm expecting price to drop down. If price jump down for a pullback, oh, I'll be so much excited. I'll on my auto copy. How do I on my auto copy? Let me close a little bit from here. Okay, let's go like this again. I'm not able to do that copy and paste thing here. I don't know why. So let me just screenshot. Just hold on a moment for me. I want to send this picture to the group. Yeah. I got it. So I'm going to share it to as many as possible right now. Sharing it to these guys. Sharing it here, sharing it here, sharing it here. No, not sharing it here. Sharing it here, sharing it here too. So go again. I'm still sharing it one more. Then I'll show you how to put on the auto copy and how to put it off as well. I'll show you before. Our time is up. We need to go, but I'll show you before we go. Then I'll make some announcements about GFU. Very important announcement about GFU. Done. I'm out of it. I go back here this way. I go back now to the chart. So how do I put on my auto copy? Let's say I want to start copying. Somebody's asking a question. Not hearing anything, but I'm sure you are hearing now. Please kindly, somebody kindly confirm that we are hearing now. Thank you. You go to another account. When you open another account, you usually see your feed, like social media. Social media feed. You can actually type something there. It's a tool of our photocopy challenge. We are still up. So you can post your feed. Other people can see what you post. You can also hit like, comment on other people's posts. You can engage with other traders from here, from all over the world. Discover takes you to wherever it takes you to. But I'm most interested in this area that says top traders. This area that says top traders, it shows you the trader in the Naga auto copy making the highest profits within the week. You want to see who these traders are. You want to see what profit they're making. You want to be able to see how you can copy them. Let me stop that music for a while. Just hold on. Good. Back to what I was saying. Naga. So this place where you see top traders, you could evaluate traders who are doing very well. You could copy them. You could pause copying them at any time you like. We judge that Flow Farrell Pro trader. So that happens. Somebody is asking a question. You can do that now. I was trying to use crypto option, but it's not letting me. Chat with the support. Must one know how to trade well before you can copy traders? No, you don't have to. All you just need to do is to guide your number of copy position, just like Donald said, based on your balance. If you have enough balance, $5,000, $10,000, I'm sure you don't have an issue. You just leave your trade to be copying. But if you don't have enough balance, you need to check your account time to time to do what? To pause the copy. Let's take, for instance, I want to copy this guy, Flo Farrell, Flophare, Flo Farrell. I want to copy him. I open his charts. I evaluate the trader. What is evaluating? Evaluating is seeing how profitable a trader is. This trader is 95% win rate trader. This trader has 205% copying his account. Come down here, check what he even said in his description. This trader is saying that, welcome to Flow Farrell Pro, optimized for small account, copy my trade now with €0 fees per trade. But I don't think this is true because I saw some charges. Let's trade together. No investment advice. Not an investment advice. That's what he wants to say. This guy is from UAE. Check his statistics. What is a statistics? Statistics is the record of profitability, growth curve of a trader over a long period of time. A trader you want to copy should be a trader that is progressively on the increase, not showing a negative or a red, going down, going up, going down, haphazard, what's it called? Structure of progress. You want a trader with a clean curve of progress to the upside. That means holding a position with that trader is likely to end in profits. That's just the meaning. Somebody's saying something again. We can't see your screen, so I'll stop sharing my screen. I'll start sharing my screen again. So I'm sure you can see my screen. I kindly confirm if you can see my screen so I can continue. So somebody was saying that he's having problem with crypto deposits on Naga. Well, the issue is with your browser, because when I'm done with this demonstration, I will show you crypto deposit is not having problem here on my system, both on my phone, on my laptop. There's no issue. So if you have problem with your browser, change another browser. If you are using Safari, change it to Google, Chrome. If you are using Chrome, change to Safari. Just change your browser, Sha. Use a laptop or use another device. If you still have problem with your crypto deposit, then contact the support to help you. If you still have problem with that, then use your Naira. Cora Pay is even cheaper. I did Cora Pay transaction. It was even cheaper on Naga than the crypto. Crypto is expensive. So that's it. So what am I saying? Statistics of the trader. You need to know the trader you are copying. Is he a profitable trader or not? The statistics are here. Over a day, over a week, check his statistics. Over a month, check his statistics. So in case you leave your account with this trader monthly, how much percentage is this trader making? He's growing, he's making profits, he's closing the month in profits. All time, generally, for the entire account. He's been profitable. We are still in May. It's still profitable. In previous months, it's profitable. Although I can't see, it's $8,000. This is $6,000. This is $1,300. Right? The trader is profitable. His books are green. The trade is NASDAQ and German 30. So if I know, okay, all these things, I want to check also what are his most recent trade. His last most recent trade were closing profits, 1108. 1108, what's the time now? 1111. He closed German 30 in profit. So it's currently trading right now. It's trading German 30. If you scroll a little bit down to see previous trades, all taken today, all of them are German 30. They're all closed in profits. So something is happening in that German 30 that this guy is trading, which is why I am checking the German 30. I also want to trade the German 30, but I know right now I just have to wait a little bit before I start copying. If I copy now, it will not be a problem. It will still be in profits, but after a while, that's just the difference between somebody checking what the guy is trading and somebody not checking. However, once I'm okay with this trader, I'll just click on auto copy. It will show me the risk management. The risk management is the most important thing you have to do. If you don't know how to trade, you must know risk management. Risk management is the worst that will happen to any trader anywhere is risk management. Once you have a win rate trader over 90%, and the risk management should be 1% because you are probably using $100 to trade, or $200 or $300 or $500 or $1,000. So your risk ratio, copy risk ratio should be 1%. That way you click on start auto copy, it will start copying the trade. I understand that I'm copying with a risk of 1%. I understand. The moment you've done that, you have started copying the trader. You will start seeing your trade counting. You will start running in now, P&L. You start counting. The moment the trader takes a next trade, boom, your own account to pick that trade using the smallest risk that you have accepted. Now, the point is, when your account starts trading, you can see all your trade under the menu that says My Trades. So if you see the trade counting, 1, currently there's no trade, 2, 3, 4, 5, and your account is $300 or $500 or $100, you have to pause the copy. If you don't pause it, the trader may take another trade and your account will still pick up that trade. It will get to a point, the trader is taking so many trades that your account cannot handle, and it will affect your account. So you must have a rule. You must have a rule. Please kindly confirm you can still see my screen. Aha, you see the trader is now taking positions. I have to go up there now. Auto copy trading. Copy. I have 6 positions now. So you must have a rule that says I cannot copy more than 5 trades. I have to pause. Right now I have 6 positions. I now pause the trade. See my P&L is now counting -6. So right now, I have copied 6 positions and I have paused my auto copy, any new position the trader takes, my account will not pick that position. It will not pick it. But this 6 position, which are currently trading now, this 6 position here, they will continue trading. And if the trader close any one of them, that is to say the trader will be the one managing all these 6 positions. So see these 6 positions, they are now in profits, all of them. So this 6 position the trader took now, they are all in profits. In fact, I'm in a profit of $1.37. So as the trader is trading now, he's the one managing all these positions, not me. The trader is the one managing all these positions, not me. I'm not doing anything. So I'm currently in a profit of $2.7 minus the charges that the trader is taking. So I think the pullback he took was from this side, and it will be clearly seen if I go down to 1 minute time frame. So probably this trader is in a 1 minute chart. But the long-term move is telling me that we still have more pullbacks. There could still be more pullbacks. This is not all. So, but what the trader is trading, from where the trader is trading right now, there's a bullish engulfing here, and there's no pullback on that engulfing. So the trader is currently in this position. Right now, he's in this position from here. And I'm sure he's going to ride it all the way to this point. And the stop loss should be anywhere around here. This is what I'm noticing right now. This is where we are now with that trader, because he just jumped into the position and we are in profits. So that means this is where we are. He's trading this particular move. Let me see what this move means like in a 5 minutes chart. So we are still in profits. In a 5 minutes chart, these moves look very juicy because it's like a rejection push to the upside. But there's no wick to the downside, which makes it scary, right? Anyway, my duty is not to close the position. We are currently in $4 profit. My duty is not to close the position. My duty is to allow the trader to manage the position. But again, how the thing go do me, I go choose to close the position by myself. Especially when I know we have too many positions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will choose to close at least one position, because I don't really like my account to have more than 5 open positions. I really don't like it. My account is small. I close one of them in profit. So now we have like 5 open positions, and for me, I think it's okay. 5 open positions is okay. And now I really don't like the 5 open positions opening at the same level. I don't like it. I like 1 up, 1 down, 1 middle. So I want to go to my MT5. I'm seeing everything from my MT5. German 30. This is my MT5. Let me go to 5 minute time frame. I think that's where the entire position is trading from. I'm not seeing the charts on 5 minutes. I'm not seeing but I'm seeing the trade, but I can't see the chart. See all of them, $4.2. I really don't like all this position. Like, let me close 2 of them. I don't like the account, the trade. I don't know how to put it, but the trade are in the same place. I don't like it. If I'm having 5 positions as my maximum number of positions, risk management is key in trading. It's not just making profit. I want all the 5 positions to be entered at different spots, not at the same spots. Yeah, the trade is going well in profit. I have 3 positions running. I'm in $4 profits. Yet I don't want all the 5 positions at the same point. That's just my trade, right? So let me open this point so we can see all the position trade levels, right? Trade levels. So the entry was done from here. If you can see clearly, you will see clearly the entry was done from here, and the trade is going our way on 5 minutes. We're in profit of 306. Let me close 1 and leave only 2. Now, you don't have to close your trades. I'm just doing this because I'm trying to reduce my risk by all means necessary. The rule of this program is to reduce the risk by all means necessary. The more you are in the market, the more you are exposed to risks. But If you expose to more risks, you are exposing to more profits. Right? So me, I don't want to expose to more. The trader has started closing. You see, that one was done by the trader. The trader has started closing the position. He closed some of the position. This last one, he didn't close it. So he leaves it there. So I'm not touching this one. Let this one go anywhere it wants to go. I don't care. So if we go back, we are now in $309 in profits. It's not really anything, like, it's just part of the game. So if I go back again now to trading view, I want to see what's happening. We are still in profits here, $2.2, one position open. I don't want to go and open the auto copy because right now, oh, the position is looking nice. I think we can open the auto copy. The position is looking very nice. Let's go back. Copy trading. Auto. Where's the guy again? Flow. Just made $6 from this guy just now. Open, enable. So we now enable the guy. He's now active. So any new trade he enters, our account will pick that trade. Any new trade he enters now, our account will pick that trade. Right now, we have only one position running. So I think I've been able to demonstrate to you how to open a position, how to close a position, how to pause a trader, how to copy a trader. If I want to change a trader, there's another trader that trades gold a lot. I just need to check what's happening on gold. This is gold. Oh, this is gold. I was thinking it's German 30. This is gold. In that case, let me still pause this guy. I don't need him to be open. What's the time now? This is like after 11. Let me pause this guy. I will come back again probably by 1 to open up again. I really want to see a dip. Pause. But mind you, we have one position. Oh, he has closed it. So we are in $310 so far on the account. No problem. And I paused the guy because there's a pullback on this gold. This pullback looks good. Let me see this gold. There's a nice pullback here. Like, we could enter this trade. Hope you know that. Hope you know we could make money here. Like, this thing is looking very nice. This is fair value gap. 1, 2, 3. We're inside it. This is a morning star. It's a sweet, clean pullback on 1 minute time frame. If we have a bullish engulfing, I'll own my auto copy. I have a bullish engulfing, I'll own my auto copy. But then you don't need to do all of this. The reason I'm doing all of this is because I'm trying to reduce the risk to the barest minimum. So one thing you people can do if you want to be free, if you want to enjoy this thing, just go and copy bull trade. This is bull trade. The win rate is low because I just started the account small. Just now. It's still a fresh account. So the win rate is not looking high. But the fact is that I'm managing the account. So I will not allow too many trades. I will pause the trade. I'll do all those jobs that you're supposed to do. So all you just need to do is to find this account, bull trade, and auto copy this account. Just go and sleep. Leave the rest of the job for me. Once the account go to 50% drawdown, I will shut it down. All of us will take loss. You withdraw your remaining balance. I will withdraw my remaining balance. So it saves you all the stress of put off, put on, put off, put on, put off, put on. Choose trader, don't choose trader. I'll do all of that from now till Friday. On Friday, I'll withdraw the money. Next week, I might travel. I may not do it. So you have to do it yourself. I've shown you how to do it. But if you want me to do it for you, fund your account, $100, search for bull trade, go down to where you have auto copy, click on auto copy, go and sleep. On Friday, any profit you see there, withdraw your profit, withdraw your capital, is all your money. On Monday, we start again. So if that is fair, please put 7 on the chat box. If what I've just said makes sense, if it's fair enough. So stress, all those stress of should I on it? Should I off it? Who should I on? Who should I off? I don't know if you can still see my screen or I don't know. So when you just fund your $100, just know that $100 will not be good. Though. I prefer you fund, let's say $300 or $200 or even more than that on this particular account. I have another aggressive account of $10,000, currently $17,000 right now in profit. But I don't want you to copy that account because that account, I can take so many trade on that account. I can risk so much on that account. So this account, I'm following the risk management as it were because I want to have a record by the end of Friday. This was how much that was made on the account following strict risk management as we have described on our live call. So if you watch the live call previously, you watch the live call today, you will see the description of all the risk management, where we open positions, where we don't open position, how we do open the position. This is gold, and gold is looking like bullish engulfing on 5 minutes. I've seen a bullish engulfing here. Okay, it's not really clear yet. So we are having rejections still on gold. And if this rejection turns out, this is not really very good. So I will not put on anything. It's not looking good yet. So we'll still wait. Still wait. I remember I told you that we have a nice entry that would come down, 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 down here. But if we have a bullish engulfing here, this is a breaker block area because 2 scalp gold. And remember, I am not the one trading. I will just go and put on the auto copy. I know that these guys will open position at that level. So when they open 3 positions, I stop copying, I pause it. Or 5 position maximum, I pause it. Then if it's in profit, I take some profit and allow 2 to run in profit. If they go run in massive profits, glory be to God. But if the entire trade draws us in drawdown, 50% of the account will shut down, we withdraw our balance. So I'm going to end here. Now, let me also invite every one of you. Mastering this art of trading is a responsibility of every single person. My friend Hyacinth hosted a meeting, an interview yesterday on YouTube. If you go to Effect Consult Signature Trade, 96 people are there. You'll find this interview link. It's on YouTube. And I listened to the interview. He was saying that every trader who learns how to trade knows where to enter and knows how to analyze. Analysis and entry are the most simplest part of trading. If you learn how to trade, you can do this. The major problem of all the traders, beginner, advanced, intermediate, professional, is risk management. Risk management falls under the psychology of trading, doing what you say you will do and not doing what you say you will not do. So if you know that the easiest part of trading is learning how to trade, analyzing the chart, knowing where to enter, you should be able to learn that part. Then the other part, which is the most difficult part, the discipline part, the part that requires Mark Douglas, the disciplined trader, the part that requires trading psychology, risk management. That one you continue to master over time. What I think you should do is to take a course on trading. We have a course on trading called the GIFU. The GIFU is $149. When you register on GIFU, you see our 50 front line. We have 50 people we are helping to build this GIFU business. 50, only 50 people. We are helping 50 people to build the GIFU business. I will explain briefly before we go. Our time is up. 50 front line here. So if you register with GFU, number one, you will learn how to trade. You will learn how to trade. There is a link where we are helping first 50 people. To register on GFU to learn how to trade is a course online. If you don't have time, please don't do it. This is for anybody who has time. If you can spare 1 hour every day for 90 days, you will be a trader for the rest of your life. This is my biggest gift to any one of you who really, really wants to make money sincerely and genuinely, truly from your heart. You don't want to gamble. You should register on GFU, $149. Click on the link. It will take you to a registration portal where you will fill your documents, fill your details, and make your payment. Payment is done in crypto, USDT, TRC20. Choose your package, $149, and make your payment. Start the process. Click it and make your payment. So go back. Let me show you what you will get. Sorry. So $149 is a payment. Sorry, I need to show you what you will get. Why you guys take us back? Let me show you what you will get when you register on GFU so you know what exactly you are coming in for. So when you come in, you click on the GFU package list. This is my biggest gift for every one of you, every single one of you. Let me take a screenshot of it and post it so you can all see it. I will shout it every day until every one of you hears it. If you don't want to gamble, if you truly want to learn this thing, you need to take a course. GFU will give you that. Let me post it in the group so everybody will not say, we didn't see it. Your screen was not showing. We did not see it. Hold on. I'm about posting it. Sorry, not this. Done. Just a moment. I want to be sure that everybody sees what they are paying for. If you register for GFU, what exactly are you paying for? I want you to see it. No, not this. Not this one. No. Not this one. It's this one. This is it. Thank you. Let me share this also with this. Scroll down a bit and add one more. Share with this going. Then let's share also with one more person. I wanted to share one more person, but my stuff is not allowing me. Let me share also with 2 more persons, right? This. Let's go. So what do you get when you register with GFU? You get lifetime access to GFU Live. What I'm doing today is called a live trading. I'm trading live with you. You are seeing my account going in, going out. You are seeing profit being made live in your very presence. On GFU, you get this same live trading every day with higher professionals, more than me. Like they have more volume than me. They have more experience than me in the market. You are in the same room with them. While you are trading, they are trading. While we are here, Pastor Donald was trading. He made $47 today. While we are here on this call, he traded yesterday. He made $56 from his $100. He's here. So when you are in a live trading room, you are able to get information, especially when you choose a particular trader you want to trade with. Not trade, you are in a live trading with Hysen today, tomorrow you are with James, next tomorrow you are with Farid, next tomorrow you will get confused, you are with Harvey. No. Choose one person that you know you like his progress, you know you like his consistency, you know you like his results. Always attend the live. In GFU, you can choose one professional trader you are always attending the live trade of that person. Anytime the person is trading live, choose somebody that trades live when you are free, because there are different time zones. There's Sydney trading, there's New York trading, there's London trading, there's Tokyo trading, there's different trading session. So any trading session that resonates with your timing, choose that person and stay in his live call on a Zoom. You have that access. You have access to all education courses on GIFU. You have access to all the education courses on GIFU. Yes. So if you want to be a trader, if you're truly serious about building your career in this business on a long term, you don't want to gamble. You don't want to gamble. Then you should be able to buy your GIFU subscription. You should be able to buy a GIFU subscription. Tell yourself, give yourself 90 days. So when you buy the subscription on GIFU on 149, number one access you get is live trading. Choose a professional trader on the GIFU platform that synchronizes with your time, which you want to trade. Sydney session, London session, New York session, whatever time is free for you. Choose 1 hour or 2 hours. Be in a live trading room with a professional. Give you an edge to see hands-free, to see real life what is happening in the market. All education courses, A to Z, you need to really learn how to trade. If you are really serious about growing a career for a long time, you need to learn this skill. GIFU gives you all education courses for free the moment you sign up with $149. Limited manual trade a week, Forex only. You'll be able to get trade calls, like traders will call a particular trade, you will see. So traders will call a particular trade, you will see their entry, you see their stop loss, you see their take profits. They will do this call every week for Forex. You get access to GIFU Connect app, chat with manual trade ideas. That is called the tap to trade. When they call the trade, you will just click on your app, connect that app with your MT5 and to accept the trade. You can get access to the scanner. One scanner. I was told that there are about 7 scanners. You get access to one general scanner that shows you everything in Forex, crypto, stocks, the entire market. You get access to all the services listed for 4 weeks. After 4 weeks, you need to use your free account, which has to do with subscription. Which has to do with subscription of $109 if you have made profit, or referral. Choose anyone, either subscription, $109, or referral. You get a free account. That's how to get a free account. Then for the following week, for the following month, 5 travel points. 5 travel points to sponsor. Only available during incentive trip qualification period. You will be able to travel. So this is more of a lifestyle and entrepreneurship platform. For me, I think you need to learn how to trade. I think you need to have access to a live trading portal every time you want to trade. And I also think you need to have access to the signals, which is the manual trade by professional traders. Then finally, I also think you need to have access to the scanner. Then also don't forget, the tap to trade is something that beginners can actually use. So I have shown you everything you need on the GIFU side. But to grow money very, very fast, you can use your Naga auto copy, following what we are doing today, following what we will do tomorrow, next tomorrow on Friday. It will help you to raise that $149 to pay for GIFU. So Mr. Donald, please, I want to beg you. I know you subscribe on Akash, but because of what we are building, it's long-term and we're trying to help 50 people. You see the way we help you to build your Naga? Madam told me she doesn't like to refer people. Madam, you don't have to refer anybody. Mr. Donald is here. If I give him the mic, he will testify. When we started building in our DHC conference, I told him, Donald, you need to buy Akash. Then send me your Naga link. When we go for a conference, we don't use my link. We use the link of the leaders who attend our calls. We use the link of the leaders who buy the packages, who are in the program. We use their link to register other people. So during our event, we had a lot of registration. Some of the registration were done using the link of Mr. Donald. Some were done using the link of Air Commodore Herring Ifezu, Madam Bolaji, Mr. Alex in UK. He got about 45 sign up. He was in UK while we're doing an event in University of Abuja. So such an opportunity allows you to have people under your structure while you are not there. Oga Henry got about 81 sign-ups. Although he was on the table, he was the chairman in charge of the registration. So we are moving to Lagos. By the time I'm done with this 5 days call, I just want to show people beyond reasonable doubt that they can grow their money using low risk management. That's why I'm here. I'm sitting on this chair till Friday. On Saturday, my flight is booked. I'm going to University of Lagos to set up in Yaba. We are signing up 500 people in Yaba, and we're not using my link. I want you guys to register. Register on Naga, give me your link. Register on XNext, give me your link. Register on GFU, give me your link. Leave the rest. Leave the rest. The other thing I need from you is to attend the Zoom call. I cannot be talking to myself. I cannot be planning with myself and say we are a team. You have to be available. We will plan together with you. We will talk with you. We will be working together, updating ourselves with you. You will bring ideas. We will mix it together. Then we go to the event. On the event day, if you can fly down to Lagos, University of Lagos, what's it called? Yaba, fine. If you cannot come, it's still fine. We'll put you on Zoom call. You'll see what's happening. But then, all the registration we are doing in the event, 500 registration, we divide it according to the number of people who already come on board. I need only 25 people. Only 25 people. If we get 50, that's our target. We don't need more. But once we get 25, the reason I need 25 people is because I need to bring my friends from the US. I need to bring Sydney. I need to bring Dre. I need to bring Marisa, all from the US, from Minnesota. To bring them to Nigeria is not easy. Apart from just money, a lot of logistics needs to be in place. And we will not want to be doing like a try and lock scenario when they come. Oh, let's hope we'll get people, then we'll not try meeting people. No. We want to be sure that we already have people in our team locked in as our members. So when they come, they are coming to meet specific leaders. Okay, we're going to have a group photograph or a get together with Madam Esther and Sydney and Marisa. We're going to share ideas. We're going to be in this, we're going to have like relationship, build business for the long term. You may not know, you may want to travel to America and you don't know anybody in America. Sydney will organize Marisa and Dre. They will come and pick you up at the airport with a limousine. I'm not sure there is, maybe with a Rolls Royce or with a Bugatti or with a Chevrolet. And at least that's something. Money cannot buy it. You cannot get somebody to bring an exotic car and meet you at the airport. You can't do that. When I go to Abidjan, they used to bring a, what's it? Not Rolls Royce. What's this car? I've forgotten the name of this car. Ah, God. They used to bring these big cars to come and pick me at the airport in Abidjan. Every time I travel to Abidjan, I can't pay money to get that thing done. Like the cars that will convoy me when I arrive in Abidjan, they are usually 10 or 15. Every time I've been to Abidjan 3 times, the same thing. And they used to have a big banner to come and welcome me. Do you know what that does to my social status? You know what that does to my my social media? Do you know what that does to the people that listen to me when I come for that conference? It really gives me a status. And do you know what I got after that? I got connected to the ambassador for Abidjan to Nigeria. I got connected to the former vice president, personal assistant. She's now defense attaché. She's working with the defense attaché. So I got connected with lots of people, key influential people in Abidjan because of that social status. So what I think we must do is to, while we are doing this business, we must build connections. We must build relationship that will extend beyond just making money. So all this I'm saying is that sign up on GFU so we can bring Marisa, we can bring Sydney, we can bring Dre to Nigeria. You are making money, they are here, we build relationship. You snap picture, you make video, you talk outside business to other business, you talk about health, talked about contract, you talk about investing in health, you talk about investing in village, rural area, you talk about corporate social responsibility, CSRs, talk about charity, you talk about foundations, talk about so many things to talk about. And who knows, somebody picks interest, boom, that's another opportunity. So no, I cannot do this, but I have one of my uncle that would like to do this CSR. When I get back to the US, I'll send you $15,000, go and do so CSR. Oh, go and treat malaria at so village. Buy all the drugs. We could do that. It starts from building relationship, from common interest in a particular business. This was how I flew to Dubai twice. This was how I went to Ghana. This was how I went to Egypt. Just building relationship within a business. So if you try to do all what you are called to do on your own, you will die before your calling. So you have to learn how to collaborate. You have to learn how to relate with people. You have to learn how to scratch people back. You have to learn how to work with people. You have to learn how to build relationship. It's not cheap. It's work. Ladies and gentlemen, my time is up. Thank you for your time. It's 11:45. We'll be back again by 1:30 to trade live on the New York open markets. Thank you so much for your time. My time is up. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. It's like we're not recording. Okay, we are recording. I would have cried if we didn't record this. Those of you on YouTube, thank you for watching.
God bless you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching. Those of you on YouTube, follow us, join our community. The WhatsApp link is in the description. You can also drop a comment there. We can respond to you on YouTube. Register on these things and be part of what we are building. Whether you register or not, we are still building anyway. You will see us share the testimony in less than 90 days because we've already started. So just join us.